Last question is from Kieran. Could Marina and Council 9 discuss a connection between having these visionary experiences and doing the potency protocol to see the most accurate probability and not just one of the many probabilities?
Not yet. That is actually a very good question, but it's very difficult because when consciousness is accelerating, the movement of that fluctuations of probability of different situations, fractal momentum are so many and so quick, because you have one side is doing something, the other one side is doing something, on and on. It's very, very quick, and it's very difficult to predict between the two structures when it's going to collapse at the same time, because you got to mobilize absolutely everything. The end result we know is happening, but remember, with this end result, there's so many probabilities how will happen. So consciousness know that the end result is already there, but during the process, we still gonna have probabilities how to happen. You know why? Because if you, for example, are being activated, for example, to do what I do, and you end up failing of not presenting this to the people and get too greedy and all other crazy stuff, that will shift something within the collective of the collapse things to be completed. Then consciousness have to find another individual to activate, and that may take some trajectory of time until the other person comes in or something else to happen. So that's why you gotta give a moment for expansion that can go maybe a year or 2 years more, because of all that fluctuation to adjust, because not every person that's got to do the job to move humanity forward or to present some information can handle the pressure, because it's so much manipulations, it's so much confusion. We're being targeted. Everybody's being up and down with some situation. We're all being challenged individually also. Why do you think I ruined my diet? I had a very toxic person around for a while that literally made the whole family crazy. So believe me, there's a lot of stuff that are happening that you have to overcome and forgive, forget, and move forward, because we have to. And especially if you have this type of knowledge, you've been activated to be the leader of that stuff. And for the leader is the most difficult thing, because when you start, you're the crazy one. You have to pave the way for everybody else. You have to push through all the branches and all the debris that is there in order to pave the way for the rest to follow. That's why there's a video that we have, predictions and probabilities. In consciousness, the end result is known, but it's different probabilities how this will happen. And also, you gotta create your own ascension protocol. So in your reality, from your perspective, from your expansion, could be a completely different time of a probability, because you create your own version of ascension.